Dear students, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss about the topic suspensions and colloidal solutions, which are the examples of heterogeneous mixtures. From the lesson Is Matter Pure, ninth class physics. Activity 5, finding out heterogeneous mixtures, suspensions and colloids. Take some chalk powder in a test tube. Take a few drops of milk in another test tube. Add water to these samples and stir with a glass rod. Observe whether the particles in the mixtures are visible. And we have added some milk in the second test tube and chalk powder in the first test tube. Then water is added to both the test tube. And you can see some particles are floating in the first test tube. Chalk particles are floating. Coming to the second test tube, there should be no difference between the milk and water. Seems to be the homogeneous mixture. Now do the following steps. Direct a beam of light from a torch or a laser beam on the test tubes. If you do so, you can see that both of the solutions can give the path of the light brightly. And in the previous classes, we have seen that solution does not scatter the light, means we cannot see the path of the light in a solution. But here we can see the path of the light in two beakers or two test tubes. So we can say that they will scatter the light. Now leave the mixture undisturbed for some time. Does any of the solute particles settle down? You can observe in the first test tube, they got settled down. The chalk powder got settled down at the bottom and milk is same as usual. From that we will note the observations here. Mixture is chalk and milk mixture. Path is visible or not? Did they solute settle down or not? Yes, for both the chalk and milk, and chalk mixture did settle down, but the milk did not settle down. And residue can be filtered in the chalk mixture, not in the milk mixture. We find that the particles of the chalk did not dissolve but remain suspended throughout the volume of water. So this is a heterogeneous mixture because the solute particles did not dissolve, they disperse, and the particles are visible to naked eye. Such heterogeneous mixtures are called suspensions. Suspensions are the heterogeneous mixtures of a solid and a liquid in which the solids do not dissolve, like mixture of soil and water. And in the activity, particles of the milk in the second test tube are uniformly spread throughout the mixture. Due to the smaller size of the milk particles, it appears to be homogeneous, but actually it is a heterogeneous mixture. These particles easily scatter a beam of visible light. Such mixtures are called colloids or colloidal solutions. And these mixtures possess the characteristics in between a solution and a suspension. Hence, these are also called colloidal dispersions. Colloidal dispersions may appear homogeneous but are actually heterogeneous. And some of the daily life examples are milk, butter, cream, gel, clouds, even boot polish. Colloidal solutions are heterogeneous in nature and always consist of at least two phases, the disperse phase and dispersion medium. Disperse phase is the substance that present in a small proportion and consists of particles of size 1 nanometer to 100 nanometers. Dispersion medium is the medium in which the colloidal particles are dispersed. So these two phases can be in the form of solid or liquid or gas. Thus, different types of colloidal solutions are possible depending upon the physical state of two phases. Students, I hope you understood. Thank you.